In today's video lecture, I will explain for statement. So the for statement has three expressions. Semicolons are used for separating these expressions. So you can see here we have three expressions separated by semicolon. So here what we do when we have a single statement in loop body, so what we do, we write this one. So we no need to write this opening and closing curly braces. And when we have block of statements to be executed in loop body, then we must enclose that within the curly braces. And how we write? We write for, and then inside the parenthesis we write three expressions: expression 1, expression 2 and expression 3 separated by semicolon. So here what is expression 1? It's a initialization expression, and expression 2 is the condition expression, so where we check the condition, and expression 3 is update expression. So if you remember, in while and do while, what we used to do, we used to initialize the variable before while loop, and then inside the while loop we were checking the condition in the parenthesis, and in the body we were giving the update expression. So here we all the three expressions will be writing in a single line separated by semicolon. Okay, so here expression 1 is initialization expression, expression 2 is a test expression or a condition, and expression 3 is an update expression. Okay. So here expression 1 will be executed. So this will be executed only once when the loop starts, and it is used to initialize the loop variable. And this expression is generally an assignment expression. So like we say int I is equal to 1. Okay, so like that in the beginning in while loop we used to do, no? So the same thing, instead of writing outside, everything will be writing in one inside one parenthesis only. So expression 1 will be assignment expression, that means we will be assigning some initial value to the variable, and expression 2 is a condition, and that is tested before each iteration of the loop. So like in while loop what we used to do, we used to write like this, and then while I less than or equal to 10, and then so this was what condition expression, so that is my expression 2 here. And expression 3 is what? It is an update expression and executed each time after the body of the loop is executed. So inside while loop what we were doing, we were printing the value of I, and then we were updating the value of I after body. So I is equal to I plus 1. So this is my update expression here. So this is expression 3. So here see, this is expression 1, this is expression 2, and this is expression 3. So in for loop all the three expressions will be writing inside one parenthesis. Okay, so this is the syntax of for statement. Now we'll see the flow chart of for statement. So flow chart, here we have initialization expression, that is my expression 1, and then it will be, the value will be initialized only once, and then the condition will be checked. If the condition is true, the body of the loop will be executed, and then we will update the value of the variable which we have initialized in the beginning. And then after updating, again we will come and check the condition. If the condition is true, the body of the loop will be executed, we will update the expression, and again we will come back to the condition. Condition is true, body of the loop is executed, update the expression. So this will be when we will come out of the for loop terminates when this condition becomes false, and we will come out of the for loop, and the next statement out of loop, whatever we have specified, that would be executed. So the same flow what I have explained, what happens first? Initialization expression, expression 1 that we have written, that is executed, and the loop variables are initialized, and then this expression 2 is checked. If the condition is true and the body of the loop is executed, after executing the loop body, control transfer to the update expression, that is expression 3 in the for loop, and it modifies the loop variable, and then again the condition is checked, okay, and if it is true, the body of the loop is executed. So this process continues till the condition is true, and when the condition becomes false, the loop is terminated and the control is transferred to the statement following the loop. So statement following the loop means the statement which we have written outside the for loop. So this is the flow chart of for loop. And then let's take one example. So I am taking the same example which I have taken for while and do while. So here we have to write a C program to print numbers from 1 to 10 using for loop. So the beginning we will be writing the header file, and then our main function and opening curly braces, and this is the variable declaration. Okay, so int I, so that means this I is a loop variable, and this is of integer type because we want to print the integer value. Okay, so see here each statement, I mean each expression we are writing inside the same, I mean inside the same one parenthesis. So I is equal to 1, this is what expression 1, this is initialization expression. Okay, and this is what expression 2, this is expression 2, that is condition expression, and then this is the third one, this is update expression. So I plus plus is nothing but it is I is equal to I plus 1. Okay, so like this also we can write. So this is the increment operator. So here then if I is equal to 1, what happens? I is equal to 1, we will check the condition next. I less than or equal to 10, it is true, then the value of the I will be printed. So 1 is printed, and then we will come and check the condition again, and the I value will be incremented. So first this one, and then second, and then third. Okay, so these are the three expressions. So first this will be initialized only once, and then the condition is checked, condition is found to be true, the body of the loop is executed, that means I value will be printed, and then update expression, that means I value will be incremented by 1, and then we'll check the condition, 2 is less than or equal to 10, so again body of the loop is executed, so 2 is printed, then again update expression, that means I value becomes 3 now, we'll come check the condition, condition is true, then again body of the loop, this is body of loop. Okay, so this 3 value will be printed, again I value will be incremented, 4, condition is true, then again body of the loop is executed, that means 4 value printed. So this will when we will come out of the loop, once this condition becomes false. So after printing 10, once I becomes 11, the condition becomes false and will come out of the loop. One more thing here only we have one statement. So this is the first type. So when we have only single statement, no need to write the curly braces. So that means if you have not written curly braces after for loop, so only one statement immediately after for loop, whatever statement I have written, that would be executed. So this statement is outside the for loop. So this is nothing but the next statement out of the loop. So after printing 10, once the value becomes false, I value 10, 11 is less than or equal to 10. So we'll come out of the loop, and this return 0 at the end we write, and this we will close the main function. Okay, so thank you.